Athens isn't just ruins, it's a battlefield of gods, philosophers and empires. And in the next half a day tour, I want to walk you through temples, theatres and the birthplace of democracy. This isn't just a tour, it's a time machine.
Hello from sunny Athens. Today we're going to go on a little walking tour to see some of the most ancient sites. The obvious one is the Acropolis. We're going to go into the museum and have a little look at some of the neighbourhoods nearby, try and check out some cool places on a little route on the way. So come with me and see what we get up to on a half-a-day tour of ancient Athens. So I'm going to begin at the bottom of the hill at the temple of the Olympian Zeus. This is the largest temple in the whole of Greece. And as you can see, these huge columns behind me, which there would have originally been over 100 of them. There's now only 15 of them left. They're obviously trying to do a little bit of work on it, so I assume that scaffolding is not thousands and thousands of years old, but there at least are a few of them remaining, a few of them still intact. There's little bits of the columns remaining on the ground, but quite a big area to walk around. It's an easy start here at the bottom of the hill, like I say, and then we can work our way up to eventually get to the Acropolis.
The Acropolis Museum brings the hill down to street level. The sculptures are all up close, all of the various finds from the Acropolis up above, and the layout makes it really easy to see how everything connects. It can just be a quick stop off, but it's a really big payoff and something that you shouldn't miss.
Now, have you even come to Athens if you have not been to the Acropolis? It goes without saying, this is obviously the main site, the main tourist thing and attraction to come and visit while you're in Athens. You can't miss it. Doesn't matter where you are in the city, you will see it up on that hill, and what an amazing piece of architecture those buildings are. A real must see. The Acropolis. I've come in on the south slope side, so at the bottom of the hill we've walked through the Hadrian's Arch, and there's still a lot of these old buildings, there's a lot of ruins before you even get to the Acropolis itself, so it's quite a large complex, a lot of different areas to check out and have a look at before you work your way up to the main event, so come with me. Wow, the scale of this place is absolutely unbelievable. Just look at it. You enter through these grand gates, huge temple in itself, and then there's the Parthenon, there's the Temple of Athena Nike. There's not just the one building up here, it's really amazing. And what a view over the whole of Athens. 360 views, we're so high up. It is a little bit of a steep walk on the way up, but it's definitely well worth it.
These buildings and these temples were certainly made for the gods. You have to be there and witness it to just feel the sheer size and the grandeur of this site. Absolutely amazing. Up there with the wonders of the world type of vibe.
And this building that dominates the Acropolis area up here is the Parthenon that was dedicated to the goddess Athena. Absolutely fantastic building. So after all that walking, all that sightseeing, you're going to be a little bit hungry. There's only one thing for it. We're in Greece, in Athens. We're going to either have to get a gyros or a souvlaki. So let's go get some.
Soft pitta, slices of marinated pork or chicken, crunchy fries, fresh tomato and onion, and thick garlicky tzatziki that ties it all together.
Here we go. Now I'm now going to the Ancient Agora. So on the way, or on the walk to there, you'll walk through Plaka, which is a really sort of charming neighbourhood, lots of colourful little houses, lots of local food spots. There's still many other historic and ancient sites that you'll go past, like this one that we're at now. So I'm now in the gardens of the Ancient Agora, which would have been the original meeting place of ancient Athens. There's a large garden area, several buildings, and it's even got its own museum. So almost at the end of this tour, there's been a lot of steps and certainly a lot of sights. And that is probably enough archaeology in any one day for anyone. I need to go and get some food next, but make sure to like and subscribe, follow the channel and see where we go up to and where we go to next.